Meghalaya Deputy Chief Minister in charge of Home Police Prestone Tynsong has called on Pine Mount School to formally approach the state government regarding its interest in acquiring a portion of the Phan Nonglait Park, popularly known as Lady Hydari Park. Prestone Tynsong stated that the area of land being considered, which is adjacent to the school's campus, was recently vacated following the relocation of the zoo to Riboy district. He expressed his surprise upon learning that a request had already been made to the government either for partial or full extension of the school into the park grounds. The Deputy Chief Minister also encouraged the school authorities to submit an official representation and proposed that they schedule a meeting with him in the coming weeks to discuss the matter in detail.
What I'm saying is let them bring to us the proposal, because I just heard today only the presentation made by one of the teacher. So I requested them to meet us and bring along us the papers like maybe the representation, the petition, whatever. Then we will sit down and work out how to go about it. No, not necessarily. In fact, little bit of that this portion, I think it has been, it has been diverted to health department. That is only part of it, because we would like to, extend further this hospital of the civil hospital.